Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the project's locations, the project export locations in CapCut PC. So if you want to change the folder on where your project will be saved, this is how you're going to do it. First, after you open the CapCut PC apps, you can click on settings at the top and click on settings again. Here under the drive, you'll see there will be this save to and download to. So if you want to change the export folder, you can change it by clicking on the folder icon on the save to options in here. And here you can change it to how you like it, the folder. You can change it, choose the folder. After that, you can click on select folder and it will be changed. After it's changed, you can just click on save, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.